Pat Cummins and Josh Hazlewood have both been officially ruled out of the Champions Trophy. The two of them are managing some ongoing injuries and have not come up in time for Champions Trophy, selection chair George Bailey said on Thursday. Australia have until February 12 to finalize their Champions Trophy squad, and they will have to make at least 4 changes to their initial 15-man squad they had named on January 13. Apart from Cummins and Josh Hazlewood, they are also without Mitch Marsh, who is grappling with a back injury and was ruled out of the tournament on January 31st, and Marcus Stoinis, who announced on Thursday that he would be retiring from ODI cricket, removing himself from the Champions Trophy squad as a result after being selected in the original 15-man squad. February 12 is also the day when Australia play the first of two ODIs against Sri Lanka in Colombo. They have added 3 quicks, Sean Abbott, Spencer Johnson and Ben Dwarshuis for those 2 games, as well as leg spinner Tanveer Sangha, spin bowling all-rounder Cooper Connolly and batter Jake Fraser-McGurk. It's possible that 2 of 3 quick bowlers could get into the Champions Trophy squad, while Fraser-McGurk appears to be like-for-like replacement for Mitch Marsh, given he has not been bowling much recently in ODI cricket and was locked into bat at number 3. Connolly could be the replacement for Stoinis, but there is now only one seam bowling all-rounder, Aaron Hardy, left in the current squad. Test all-rounder Bob Webster has not been included among the additions to the Sri Lanka ODI squad. Cricket Australia said Cummins and Hazlewood would begin an extended period of rehabilitation. They are missing the ongoing Test series in Sri Lanka too. Both have IPL contracts, with Cummins set to lead Sunrisers Hyderabad again, while Hazlewood is returning to Royal Challenger Bangalore. Whether they can play any part in IPL ahead of World Chess Championship final against South Africa at Lord's in June remains to be seen. Australia likely to pick between Steve Smith and Travis Head to lead Australia in the 2 Sri Lanka ODIs and then Champions Trophy.